Hey guys, Munofara ere. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial where we're going to teach you how to use the conjunction or in Shona sentences. Stay tuned. The conjunction or, when translated to Shona, becomes the word KANA. 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 This conjunction is usually used when you are presenting an alternative or a substitute to the thing that you're referring to in a sentence. So we're going to give you example sentences so that you can get a feel or a grasp how this conjunction is used in Shona sentences. The first example: should I stay or go? In Shona, this becomes ndogara here kana ndoenda. Should I stay? Ndogara here. Or becomes kana. Go ndoenda. Ndogara here. Should I stay? Or which becomes kana. Go, which is ndoenda. Ndogara here kana ndoenda. Another example: can you do it or not? In Shona, this becomes unokwanisa kuzviita here. That's can you do it? Or becomes kana, not haukwanisi. Unokwanisa kuzviita here kana haukwanisi. I hope it's clear and straightforward. Another example: do you agree or disagree? In Shona, this becomes unobvuma here kana haubvumi. Do you agree? Unobvuma here. Or becomes kana disagree. Haubvumi. Haubvumi. I know this is a bit difficult to pronounce, especially the consonant BVU, which is va, ve, vi, vo, vu. So, unobvuma here kana haubvumi. Another example: to be or not to be. In Shona, this becomes kuva kana kusava. To be, it's kuva. Or kana. Not to be, kusava. Kusava. Okay. Another example: what do you want, bread or rice? In Shona, this becomes unodei. That's what do you want. So what do you want gets translated to this single word, unodei. That's what do you want. Bread, chingwa, or which is kana. Rice, mupunga. Mupunga. Unodei, chingwa, kana, mupunga. Okay, and it's quiz time. I want you to give me a Shona translation of this sentence right in front of you and choose from these options. I've actually made it a bit easier for you. I've made two options for you. Between option A and option B, there is a correct Shona translation of this sentence right here. So pause the video, try it out, and then check the answer afterwards. And the answer is A. Who is older, Tom or Tasha? Ndiani mukuru, Tom kana Tasha? So who is older? That's Ndiani mukuru, Tom or Tasha? Tom kana Tasha, or that's KANA. So let me know in the comment section if you got this translation right, or if you at least chose the right option between A and B. Thank you so much for watching. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Ndatenda. Thank you.